Soft ambient background music fades in. Calm AI voiceover begins. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on scrapping a PlayStation 3 for profit. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to safely disassemble your PS3, identify valuable materials, and avoid common mistakes. You'll see labeled footage of hands using basic tools like screwdrivers, alongside close-ups of circuit boards and metal components. Step 1. Preparation. Place your PS3 on a clean, static-free surface. Gather your tools, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, pliers, and safety gloves. Label on screen, prepare workspace and tools. Always unplug the device and discharge any residual electricity before opening the console to prevent shocks or damage. Step 2. Disassembly. Carefully remove the outer casing, then unscrew and separate the internal components. On-screen labels guide you. Remove case. Extract power supply. Detach motherboard. Avoid forcing parts apart. Gentle prying prevents breaking valuable boards. Pay special attention to copper coils, aluminum heatsinks, and gold-plated connectors. Step 3. Sorting and selling. With all parts separated, sort metals and circuit boards into labeled containers. Use footage of EWaste yards and close-ups of copper and aluminum. On-screen label, sort and recycle. Research local recycling centers or online buyers for each material. By following these steps and taking care during disassembly, you'll maximize your profit and minimize waste.